साचो तेरो नाम।
हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम।
पंचकोशम गया क्षेत्रम। अब हम गया में हैं। याद कीजिए कि जब right now we are in Gaya, therefore we are going to offer doing the puja, Pitri puja in Gaya. Okay? पंचकोश गया क्षेत्रम कोशम एकम गया शिर वस्त्रेत्र स्मरति विद्वान् पितृणा तथ्य मोक्ष श्राद्धभो गया तथा देव गदाधरम उपायं नमस्कृत्यं तत् श्राद्ध समारभेत्। गया गयो गयादित्यो गायत्री च गदाधर गया सुरश्चैव खड्गया मुक्तिदायक ईशान विष्णु कमलासन कार्तिकेय बनि क्राइम रजानि स गणेश्वराय क्रोञ्चमाजे कलशित भवः कशिपानं खड्गमानि सततं पितृमुक्ति हेतु। आप टीका लगा दो बाबू।
तेरे चरणों में चारों
बसंताय नमस्तुभ्यं लगा दिया। ठीक है। अच्छा अब फिर वही प्रोसेस ये रिपीट करना। ओम वसंताय नमस्तुभ्यं नमस्कार करो। वसंतुभ्यं नमस्तुभ्यं ग्रीष्माय च नमो नमः ग्रीष्माय च नमो नमः वर्षाय च शरद संज्ञा ऋतवे च नमो नमः हेमंताय नमस्तुभ्यं नमस्ते शिशिराय च मास संवत्सराय च दिवसेभ्यो नमो नमः आयु प्रजातनं विद्यां स्वर्गमोक्षं सुखानि च प्रेक्षन्तु यथा राज्यं पितरौ श्राद्धतर्पित। अब ये पंचामृत चढ़ा दो बाबू। गंगा जल पानी चढ़ा दो। ओम गंगे यमुना चैव गोदावरी नर्मदा कावेरी सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। अच्छा पंचामृत भी चढ़ा दो। कपिले सर्वदेवानां पूजनीय शिरोणि तीर्थदेव मयि अस्मात् तस्मात् शान्ति प्रयच्छमे। अच्छा ठीक है। अच्छा जो पकवान नहीं ना अन्न जो बना के लाए आप उनको
जगदाता विश्व विधाता
तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता
तू ही सुबह तू ही शाम।
प्रजां धनम विद्या धन चाहिए विद्या चाहिए स्वर्ग मोक्ष सुखानि च। आप स्वर्ग में आनंद के साथ स्वर्ग से होने चाहिए। अच्छा प्रेक्षन्तु यथा राज्यं पितरं श्राद्धतर्पित।
साचो तेरो नाम।
शादी का भी मांगो ना, लड़की मांगो, शादी का भी मांगो।
नहीं वो सब हो जाएगा। पितृ का ये टाइम नहीं सब हो जाएगा।
जल्दी है ना,
जल्दी
सब
अब वार्षिकी तो श्राद्ध हुआ अब तो रास्ता खुला हो गया। अब कर सकता है।
तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम।
वो भी आपने ही करनी है तो prepare yourself.
I have seen.
तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी।
तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी
तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी।
तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी
तेरे
आपको क्या है जो दान देने वाला चीज है वो भी लाएं। हाँ जी पहले को लगा वही तो अगर
तू ही बिगाड़े संवारे,
तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे,
तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे,
तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे,
इस जग के सारे काम
मेरा 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 मेरा,
इसको
जगदाता विश्व विधाता,
तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता,
तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता,
तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता,
तू
समर्पयामि।
ही सुबह तू ही
आप इसमें थोड़ा सा
शाम,
चना भी
जग में साचो तेरो नाम,
थोड़ा सा फूल भी रख लो। हाँ, अच्छा ऐसा करो। हरिओम सकराखंड खाद्यानि दधिशिरगीर्तानि च आहारं भक्ष्यभोज्यं च नैवेद्यं प्रतिगृहीतं पितृदेवाय यागच्यातिष्ठ तावत् तर्पणं तावत् भोजनं नैवेद्यं विभिन्न सामग्री समर्पयामि। आशीर्वादमस्तु।
पिता है तू ही माता,
आप भाई आप
पिता है
साधु बोलो
तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम,
ओम सकराखंड खाद्यानि दधिशिरगीर्तानि च आहारं भक्ष्यभोज्यं च नैवेद्यं प्रतिगृहीतं। आप को फूल हाथ लेके आप प्रार्थना कीजिए। माताजी आप आइए, आज मैं यहाँ विभिन्न चीज आपको अर्पण कर रहा हूँ। आप
सबका स्वामी,
आप
तू
आशीर्वाद
अंतर्यामी,
दीजिए।
सबका स्वामी,
अच्छा इसमें एक पानी बना चाहिए।
तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम,
अच्छा अब दान पुण्य के लिए जो जो सामान लाए हुए हैं वो ले
तू ही बिगाड़े
किसका किसका है?
तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे,
अच्छा अच्छा तो रुक जाओ। नमो ब्राह्मण देवाय गो ब्राह्मणिताय च जगतीताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। अच्छा नमो ब्राह्मण देवाय गो ब्राह्मणिताय च जगतीताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। अच्छा अब फूल ले लीजिए तो विसर्जन करें।
जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता,
तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता।
अच्छा सबको हाथ हाथ में फूल ले लीजिए।
तू ही सुबह तू ही शाम,
तो मैंने थाली बनाया हूँ ना आरती तो वहाँ पे है।
जग में साचो तेरो
नहीं उनको ले आइए पहले यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे ना।
ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता तू ही पिता है,
पितृणा दत्तमोक्षयम् श्राद्धभूमिमुखयं दत्त्वा तथा देवं गदाधरम् उभयां च नमस्कृतं तत्श्राद्धं समारभे गया गयो गायत्री दश गायत्री च गदाधर गया गया सुरश्चैव खड्ग गया मुक्तिदायक ईशान विष्णु कमलासन कार्तिकेय बनी त्रयायकं रजनीश गणेशो शरणं ब्रह्मचारेन्द्र कलशोद्भव कश्यपानं पादन्नमसि सततां पितृमुक्तिहेतु वसन्ताय नमस्तुभ्यं ग्रीष्माय च नमो नमः वर्षाय च शरत्संज्ञाऋतवे च नमो नमः हेमन्ताय नमस्तुभ्यं नमस्ते शिशिराय च मास संवत्सरे वेश दिशभ्यो नमो नमः आयु प्रदादनं विद्या सर्वमोक्ष सुखानि च प्रेषन्त तथा राज्यं पितर श्राद्ध तर्पित पुचराय
तू ही सवारे
अच्छा आरती बाबू नहीं रुक जाइए फुल सभी को चढ़ा दीजिए यहीं भी चढ़ा ये आरती करते हैं
इसको पहले जब कर्पूर गौरव बोलूँगा तब जला देना अभी आ रहा है हरिओम क्योंकि पितृ तो भगवान हो गए ना भगवान से मिली हुई है इसलिए यही करेंगे ना दबा ऐसा उठ के करें बैठ के करें बैठ के करें ओम जाये जगदीश हरे प्रभु जाये जगदीश हरे भक्त जनम के संकट दास जनम के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जाये जगदीश हरे जो धावे फल पावे दुख बिना से मन का प्रभु दुख बिना से मन का सुख शांति घर आवे सुख संपत्ति घर आवे कष्ट मिटे तन का ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता तुम मेरे शरण जय जगदीश हरे तुम पूर्ण परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी स्वामी
mentally, emotionally with us, he is not gone. And we have the support of Bhai Sahib, to whom I respect, like elder brother, fatherly finger, his blessings for us and for all the family is greater than anything. He is also a godly person since I have seen him. For me, he is the utmost, and he is also whatever Vishwanatha learned, he learned from him. It was his coaching and his blessing that he came so far. Whatever he was here, it was because of my Mahesa. And thank you so much.
Thank you. Sean is Vishwa's son, everybody knows that. So,
thank you everybody for coming today. I can't believe it's been almost a year. It's like time goes by so fast. Feels like it was just yesterday. Every day it's hard to go by without him. But I know that he's watching. I can feel him. And And all I could do is to continue to just try to make him proud. But thank you, everybody, the support. It's been amazing. You have done a lot for me. My uncle has done a lot for me too. My cousins, everybody, my friends. And yeah, we continue to celebrate him, celebrate my father, and tell his stories to everybody, a lot of stories. And yeah, thank you all for being here. It means a lot to me, it means a lot to my family. Appreciate it, thank you.
Minu is the oldest son in our next generation. She was very close to him also. And she knows the truth. You can hold on her. But I give a few words to her.
Just like Sean said, I can't believe it's been a year already. It went by so fast. I know Uncle is somewhere telling jokes, cracking jokes, making everyone laugh. I miss his personality, his character, but most of all, his big heart. He was always protecting everybody in the family. Such a fighter. But I know he watches us and makes sure we're good, and we're blessed by his love every day. I miss him greatly. Ever since I was young, he always took care of me. So yeah. Love you, Uncle.
When I came to this country, the first niece he met was Tony. And she also has quite an experience with him. You want to speak first? You don't have to prepare for that.
Sorry to prepare everything today. But yeah, my uncle lived with us for most of my young life. He was like another dad. He made sure all of us were taken care of, made sure we laughed, made sure we had fun, and just, made sure all the girls were well taken care of. We miss him a lot, and like Nina said, we have a lot of fun stories to tell. When Sean came around, when he was born, Sean was his sunshine. His whole world revolved around Sean, taking care of him, making sure he was fed, making sure he was going to school, and just, he loved him so much. And we know he loves him now, and we know he's protecting you, Sean, every day. He's walking by your side, so don't think that you're alone in this. None of us are alone in this. He's with you every single day. And we'll remember him for a lifetime. He's not gone from us. So everybody, please just keep him in your hearts and in your memories. Thank you.
Any of his friends want to say a few words about him? No. As all of you know, he was not only my youngest brother, he was the youngest among the whole family, our cousins, nephews, and he being the youngest one, he was loved by everybody. My oldest cousin, and he said I was to come to our house every evening because he wanted to meet from my mom's and her lifestyle. So when he came one day, Vishwa must be a small child. My other brother was yelling at him, and he told him, stop yelling at him. He's the dearest and nearest to me. If you do that, I'm going to take him away from all of you and keep it. But again, It's a life that's what we have to go through. And I love him. I love him all the time. And thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate it. Now the lunch is ready, please. All of you can have the lunch. And then, thank you very much.
तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे।